Hi, welcome. Now we are going to practice speaking. But, before we start, I'm very thankful for you to subscribe, like, and leave comment. Are you ready to rock? Let us begin. What is your full name?
My full name is John Michael Smith.
What is your full name? When and where were you born?
I was born on September 15, 1990, in New York City.
When and where were you born? What are your hobbies and interests?
Some of my hobbies and interests include reading, playing guitar, and hiking.
What are your hobbies and interests? What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee.
What is your favorite book? What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Imagine by John Lennon.
What is your favorite song? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite color? What is your educational background?
I have a bachelor's degree in psychology from Stanford University.
What is your educational background? What is your current occupation?
I am currently working as a software engineer at a tech company.
What is your current occupation? What are your career goals?
My career goal is to become a project manager and lead a team of professionals.
What are your career goals? Who is your role model and why?
My role model is Elon Musk, because of his innovative thinking and ability to make a positive impact on the world.
Who is your role model and why? What is your favorite travel destination?
My favorite travel destination is Japan, because of its rich culture and beautiful landscapes.
What is your favorite travel destination? What is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is Italian.
What is your favorite cuisine? Do you have any pets? If yes, what are their names?
Yes, I have a pet dog named Max.
Do you have any pets? If yes, what are their names? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
What is your favorite season? What is your proudest accomplishment?
My proudest accomplishment is completing a marathon and raising funds for a charity organization.
What is your proudest accomplishment? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
What is your favorite sport? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am more of a night owl.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? What is your favorite quote?
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
What is your favorite quote? What is your favorite way to relax?
My favorite way to relax is by listening to music or meditating.
What is your favorite way to relax? What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is losing loved ones.
What is your biggest fear? What is your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to a variety of genres, but my favorite type of music is rock.
What is your favorite type of music? What is your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is going on family vacations to the beach.
What is your favorite childhood memory?